Bonjour à toutes et à tous. C'est très impressionnant d'être ici avec vous. Je m'appelle Hamid Hamidi, fondateur et directeur général du groupe Limosa Inc. Today, I will talk about connecting the past to the future of advanced air mobility. Government have set a goal to make transportation system zero emission by 2050, and that includes the aerial transportation. But I'm here to tell you that it's impossible to achieve this goal by using the current technology. To have an idea, just look at this 110 flights being done by Air Canada for distances of less than 150 miles per day. And this little segment produces 131 tons of CO2 per day. How do you think that they're gonna make this zero by 2050? I'm happy to say that there are still solutions on this, mostly on the fuel side. And you can see some of them listed here. And Airbus is kind of developing most of them. But these are good solutions, still more applicable to longer flights and larger aircrafts. So that's why our mission is to contribute to this industry by introducing our solution, which is this amazing aircraft called Limo Connect, which is going to be an all-electric aircraft capable of flying vertically and horizontally. Unlike other competitors, Limo Connect has both features of vertical takeoff like a helicopter and horizontal flight like an airplane. Why that is so important? The reason is that when it flies from the runways of the airports, it can save more than 30% of energy so that it can fly further as compared to the other aircrafts of its own category. Everyone knows that building a new aircraft is a big challenge, and you can question how you're gonna do this as a startup. But I believe that we are capable of doing this. Personally, I've been in this industry for more than 10 years. I have Monsieur Slava, who has been in this industry in design of different aircrafts for more than 30 years, and he's helping us to design our aircraft. On top of that, we have a great team of passionate and skilled aerospace engineers who are helping us to advance the project. That is not all of it, because we have made a good relation with the aerospace schools in Montreal, and I'm happy to say that we have secured almost $500,000 with these 3 professors working on this project. Also, we have our industrial partners, mostly government agencies, but most recently, we made an agreement with Fairwheel, which is a big construction company. And they are going to put the spec of our aircraft into their design for new vertiport infrastructures for Florida State. Let's look at what's going on around the world. This industry is really hot and it has attracted more than $10 billion over the past few years. But looking at those numbers, I would ask you not to get too scared, because we are also having advantages over them, because we have the lesson learned of them in hand, and now we know that the market is real, and the certification process is in place, because at the beginning it was truly hard to open up the certification with the FAA and ASA, and also the market size, Morgan Stanley has reported to be $1.5 trillion by 2040. So there is still a big room there. Another thing is that there is no product out there, nothing has certified yet, and we are at the good stage, and these are all startups. You don't see any giant company in there. Here's our roadmap. We will do this project in over 8 years. And we have successfully finished the preliminary design of the aircraft, and we are manufacturing 1/10 scale of it. And we hope that we can fly it over the next 2 months. We have opened up discussion with Transport Canada to start the certification process. And we believe that we can get the type certificate for this aircraft by the end of 2028. Other than experience and knowledge, building a new aircraft requires a lot of funding. That's why today I'm asking for $10 million, which is going to bring us to the next stage by having our 3D model frozen to register the patents for unique features of this aircraft, and also to putting the certification process in place. By that in hand, we would need another round of large amount of money to set up the manufacturing facility to start prototyping and going to the test flight. Over these periods, and compared to other startups that they have gone through this, we believe that we are very close to get pre-orders for 100 units of aircraft, Limo Connect. And this will bring us a lot of money in hand. I'd like to thank you so much for listening. And also I would like to mention that if you are willing to join us, today is the best time. So thank you so much and have a great day.
Thanks, Hamid. Merci, Hamid. J'espère que vous avez aimé ça. I hope you enjoy it. It's the end of the pitches, but not the networking. One thing I want to say, comme on vous l'a dit, j'étais le lead de la cohorte accélération. Ça n'aurait pas été possible sans l'aide de Jocelyne et aussi sans l'aide d'Abby, qui ont été là tout le temps, et de l'équipe CenTech. So, merci beaucoup.
Effectivement. Puis un grand merci pour nos entreprises pour les présentations aujourd'hui. Vraiment très intéressant. Puis on vous invite à rester pour leur parler.
Merci beaucoup aux investisseurs d'être venus. Merci à ceux qui sont en ligne. Donc, merci à tout le monde d'avoir participé et d'avoir fait un super événement aujourd'hui. Merci.
Merci beaucoup.